I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You press Windows and R at the same time to summon the run box. This is the single necessary launch step. Type a program name like CMD, Notepad, or an exact path, and use Tab to autocomplete when possible. Once done, verify the entry visually. If it looks right, hit Enter to run. Make sure to avoid extra spaces and keep shortcuts memorized to speed repeat use. Now you focus on what you type. Windows plus R accepts program names, file paths, and command line switches, so be precise. For system tools, use known names like msconfig or regedit. For folders, type the full path or a drive letter. Once typed, use Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter if you need elevated rights, otherwise press Enter. Make sure to include switches, for example /k, when you want different behavior. This keeps run predictable and fast. Execute by pressing Enter. That completes the action and closes run simple. If the app fails to start, take a breath and reopen Windows plus R, check for typos, and confirm the path or file name. Many errors are small. Once done, try running as administrator with Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter or Open Task Manager to confirm the process. If problems persist, restart the PC and retry. This resolves locked files or hung processes most of the time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.